So if you are planning to travel together with your fur babies, then Togo is one of the options, which is, I hope, less stressful for them and better experience for you both. It's been a while since nakasakay ako ng barko, and we are traveling today going back to Manila, via Togo. I decided to make this video para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung experience, if it was less stressful. Ako lang mag-isa. Hello! Or buti na lang, kinuha ko to kasi ako lang mag-isa dito. Supposedly, I'm getting the other or better accommodation, pero wala na. But this one's good. Bibisitahin ko si Ru in a while. Meron palang schedule yung pagkain ng mga dogs. Pero, sabi naman, I can visit them anytime, or you can visit them anytime pag may dala kayong pets. Alright, so itong area na to, the one in pink, dyan pwede yung mga pets, like this one. Saan sila pwede lagay na cage. And then, pwede mo silang ilabas in this area only. Kung saan pwede silang makakain, pwede mo silang linisan, pwede mong i-walk saglit para mag-dumi yung pets mo, and you can spend time with them. I honestly thought I can bring them sa taas, sa mga common areas, but I think it's maintenance and safety yung iniisip nila, so hindi pwede. I thought it will be less stressful, less hassle, but since yung duration pag nababarko mas mahaba, parang mas marami kang gagawin or i-prepare, mas more time kaming maglinis. Yun yung problema sa kanya, napapaiwan, but this is their situation. Newfound friend, and meron namang malaking fan in front of them. Kanig na dinig, ayaw magpaiwan. But I have to. Ako na yung amoy aso. Magkano? 40 pesos. Nag-isa lang. Tingnan mo sa stock ah.
Kailangan talaga. Sige na pesos. 40 pesos lang.
Magkano yung buy one take one?
80
pesos. Galing. Ang galing ko nagbibenta ng turon. I decided to make this video para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung experience. If it is a good option if you are planning to travel with your pets. And definitely, it is. But for me, the lesser the cage time, or the lesser the time na in-spend nila sa loob ng kanilang cage, is the less stress. Maybe for both, from the pets and from the parent. Yung gustong-gusto nila talaga is, other than food, is your presence. So, pag umaalis ako, lagi siyang nagtatahol, hindi siya nagre-relax. So, it takes several time for him to die down yung noise niya, yung pag-howl niya. Kasi tinatawag niya ako, naririnig ko, kahit nasa labas na ako, naririnig ko yung howling niya. Other than that, medyo mas prone to madumi. Kasi hindi maiwasan madudumi sila kahit naka-diapers, kahit naka-schedule yung pag-poop nila. May time siguro nadudumi kasi pagpasok ko doon medyo may amoy na yung ibang cage. But the good thing about it is that we are more responsible and we all know that ito yung mangyayari. So most of us, the fur parents na napansin ko, are actually staying there in that area most of the time. Which is a good experience for me, but if maselan ka, medyo hassle sa'yo, medyo marami kang ginagawa. For me kasi, for this travel alone, wala talaga akong ibang gagawin, wala akong ibang iintindihin kundi si Ru. So if you are planning to do this, all you need to do is to prepare the paperwork. The paperwork is very easy. You go to this website. It's an online application where you can apply for your permit. Some of the areas in the Philippines, hindi na sila nagbibigay ng manual. Yung pupunta ka sa quarantine area, bibigay ka ng manual. They will direct you to the website, and then from the website, they will only ask you for the vaccination card. And vaccination card should be at least 14 days from the last anti-rabies vaccine. Yun lang yung pinaka-importante. And then, yung vet cleared siya to travel from the accredited vet clinic. So, make sure to secure that as well kasi hanapin siya dun sa online dito sa website na to. So, it's called Online Local Permit Application for Live Animal. So, kaya local kasi meron din ng international nito, which you can do it online as well. Na-enjoy ko naman just that merong mga ibang areas na gusto kong puntahan na sana kasama ko yung pet ko, like dun sa roof deck, dun sa common areas where you can just enjoy the view and it will be a less stressful environment for them. But of course, as we all know, we coexist with some people who have allergies with pets or traumas with pets. Sana for us, we continue to like bring them to places kasi the more na nakikita ng tao na pwede pala to, pwede pala, so baka mapaisip sila na pwede naman nilang gawin kasi kawawa talaga pag naiiwan lagi yung pets. Sana walang surprises. Wow! Ang bait! Let's go! Let's eat! Yes.
Asan yun?
Na tahol na ng tahol. That was quick. Kung siyang poop, malinis yung ano niya, yung cage niya, wala ding wiwi. Siyempre, dinalagyan natin ng diaper. But I will prep. I'll do something else. See you in a bit. Dito na lang chicken.
Chicken curry.
Balik na boss na ano. Ibang kumakain siya na rin ka pa. Panis. Ito Goods. Busog. Surviving day 2. Magsisurvive. Masaya dito para may fiesta lang. Diba? Success. So nakalagay doon, feeding time is at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's actually just around 1 p.m. So pinakain ko na siya ng una. Sabi naman pwedeng pumasok dito anytime. Finid ko siya, tapos lakad-lakad konti para mag-poop. Binigyan ko na lang siya ng food as often as possible para mag-poop din siya every time nilalabas ko, para hindi madumi yung cage niya. Yun lang, ganun lang yung nangyayari dito for the entire time na nasa barko kami. Stay ako sa room ko, tapos lalabas, mag-moment kami saglit, tapos konting pasyal, food, and then take care of Ru again. This has been a very nice experience for both of us. Is happy para namang and for me it's just a little sacrifice for the time na sinama ko siya dito. Mas masaya to pag may marami kaming pupuntahan, like here sa area na to, mas malaki yung space pero bawal sila pumunta. I want to go to the roof deck. Gusto namin pumunta sa roof deck. Bakit bawal kami sa roof deck? Kataga mo. Gusto namin sa roof deck. Bakit ayaw kami sa roof deck? For them, staying most of the time in their cages is just, parang I hope it will not be traumatic for them. No? Hello! Ito yung ganda naman yung ice niya. Nagpapalamig. Yung AC ng barko lumalabas dito sa maliit na area pamunta sa livestock. Parang ito yung isa sa pwestong lagi niyang binabalik-balikan. Diyan. So hanggang dyan lang. Hindi mo na makikita yung sa taas. Sa vlog na lang. Ha? Hi, Ru. Mag-ingay. Success. Now, ano nang gagawin natin? Pala, dito sila lahat kasi dito lang may signal. Ang late ko na realize. Kung kumain ng noodles, parang hindi kompleto yung pagsakay ng barko kung hindi ako kumain ng noodles. Try natin na kamay. ng bulalo. Pero puntahan ko muna si Ru. It's our last night. Still have my diapers. Puntahan ko lang kasi pakainin, ipiprep para malinis tayo pagbaba tomorrow and tuloy-tuloy ang ating buhay. Hindi ko naririnig si Ru. Super tahimik. Feeling ko nakarelax or tulog. Pero for sure, magtatakal na naman. Pag alis, mamaya. Kaya tulog na. Nag-aantay. Nag-aantay lang.
Okay.
Labas na. Our last labas for tonight. Lahat sila nakalabas din. Ayun o. The cats are there. Hello! Hello! Cute. Hello!
Ito yung ina nila.
Cute naman. Pogi. Pogi, ang ganda pala. First time niya mag-travel.
Oo, first time. Yung dalawa.
Oh. Twist na, twist. No choice. Malapit na tayo sa port. Sobrang lapit na. Kita ko na yung kita ko na yung Manila skyline and the port mismo. This is very unexpected to travel like this, pero sobrang saya na na-experience ni Ru. Na-experience ko din ulit. Ngayon lang ako nakapagbarko na ulit. And it was a smooth travel. I can say the energy inside the vessel is parang fiesta. Parang kung pumunta sa isang baryo, yung maraming nagkakasiyahan. No, thank you. And also, very surprising. Sobrang ganda ng service ng crew dito. Maayos sila, very accommodating, and ang bilis ng response nila to your request. Sobrang maayos yung sobrang maayos yung pag-say. Ayun, masaya naman. Excited ako kasi sinalubong si Ronnie sa akin at saka ni Shoyu. So sana hindi sila mag-away. Hello! Hindi sila excited sa akin, excited sila kay Ru. And we made it. Pagdating nyo, kukunin lang yung permit, kaya make sure not to lose your ticket together with your permit. And then, mabilis lang naman. Yun lang, i-check lang nila yung permit and then everything is good.
So, iwiin ko lang.
May diaper naman pala to. Ito Dito kailangan magwiwi kasi may diaper. May diaper. Natanggalin ko na. To show you. Show you. Show you. We made it! I'm so happy. Kumusta kaya yung pag-meet nila? Hello. 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 Excited. Excited. Rue's back. G, let's go, let's go. Arte ni Shoyu, tumakbo. Oh my God. Ay, I'm so happy. Rue made it. I survived to go. Love man lahat, ha? Love man lahat. Ay. Yung mukha na yan, ha? Show you, ha? Show you, ha? Wait lang, Ru. Ah, sige, ipipwesto kita. Bye, guys! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Isa lang pala, kung mayroon kayong rice cooker, magdala kayo ng rice cooker. Hindi masarap yung kanin ng to go. Yun lang yung comment ko. Bye-bye.